Say hi, Tippy.
Hi, Tippy. I love you.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Okay, say here's a song for you.
Here's a song for you.
Okay. I woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. 3 little birds sat by my doorstep, singing a sweet song, a melody pure and true. This is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. And then we do it one time. I woke up this morning.
And that's how it ends.
You finish it. And smiled at the rising sun. 3 little birds.
Why more?
Can you finish it?
Why more 3 little birds came?
It's the same ones. Sat by my doorstep, singing a sweet song.
Merry, pure, and true.
This is my message to you. Say bye, Tippy Emu.
Bye, Tippy Emu.
Say happy Valentine's Day.
Happy birthday.
I can say happy Valentine's Day.